Basic sentence patterns in English are SV, SVO, SVC, SVA, SVIODO, SVOO, SVOA. S. Subject. V. Verb. O. Object. IO. DO. DO direct object. IO indirect object. C. Complement. A. Adjunct. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.